Hello fellow happy crocheters. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to crochet the sedge stitch. For that you need chains multiple of 3. For row 1 skip the very first chain and into the next place a half double crochet. And place a double crochet into the same chain. Now skip the next 2 chains and into the next place a single crochet. And a half double crochet into the same chain and a double crochet into the same chain. So we placed a single crochet or half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same chain. Now this is the pattern that you have to repeat till the end, skipping the next 2 chains and into the next placing a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same chain. So repeat it till the end. So let me show you again. Skip the next 2 chain and into the next place a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same chain. In the end of the row you will have 1 more chain left. Place a single crochet into the last chain left. For row 2, remember it's the repeating row. Place a chain 1 and turn your work. Place a half double crochet into the same stitch. And a double crochet into the same stitch. And then the same pattern continues of skipping the next 2 stitches and placing a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet into the next stitch. So skip the next and into the next place our 3 stitches, that is a single crochet, half double crochet and the double crochet all into the same stitch. Again skip the next 2 stitches and into the next place a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same stitch. So repeat it till the end, and in the end of row 2 you will be left with 2 more stitches. So skip the next stitch, that is the double crochet stitch of the previous row, and into the next stitch, that is the half double crochet stitch of the previous row, and place a single crochet into that. Let me show it better. Okay, hope it's fine now. So you see here we are left with 2 more stitches. This is 1 stitch, this is 1 stitch, and this is the double crochet stitch from the previous row, and it's the half double crochet stitch from the previous row. So in the end of row 2, and not only in the end of row 2, but now in every row onwards you will be left with 2 more stitches, the double crochet and the half double crochet. So skip the very next stitch, that is the double crochet stitch, and place a single crochet into the half double crochet stitch. Okay, so that's it. This is just the repetition of row 2. So you can repeat row 2 for as long as your project demands. So let me show you again. So for the next row, do the same thing that you did in row 2 of placing a chain 1, turn your work and place a half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same stitch. Okay, now skip the next 2 stitches and we are skipping the double crochet and the half double crochet stitch from the previous row, and into the next, that is the single crochet, place our stitches, that is a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet all into the same stitch. Note that all through the way our stitches falls in the single crochet stitch always. Only in the last stitch we place a single crochet into the half double crochet stitch. So skip and into the next place a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. All into the same stitch. Now skip and place the stitches into the next stitch. Again skip and into the next place our stitches. Now again you will be left with 2 more stitches in the end of your row. So skip the next stitch, that is the double crochet stitch, and this is the half double crochet stitch, and place a single crochet into the half double crochet stitch. So I hope you loved the tutorial of this Sedge stitch. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.